how you can make a good cinema. A good cinema in the I mean a commercial success cinema. In a film industry, cinema is of course it is an entertainment media. And you want to give some message to the people. The people has to, or the viewers has to be taken care of that message in their hands. Otherwise, film will not success. Again, the message what we are given to support in the film or cinema, the viewers has to be taken in their heart. Otherwise, film will not be success. How you can make? If you want to shoot something based on the written story, or if somebody is written the story, it will be script written, etc., and direction. It has to come to shoot. In the shooting stage, what will happen? We are shooting. This is a story we are going to deliver to the viewers. In that case, the particular shooting or particular scene has to be taken by the viewers. Otherwise, cinema will not be a success, commercially flop. You will lose a lot of money on that. So the idea is we want to make money out of cinema. The people has to taken care each and every scene, each and every shot. How it can be possible. If you consider or taken care of the each shot or each scene, selecting the shot or the location by using the Vastu Shastra principle. That means if you use this Vastu Shastra principle, what will happen? The location will give a positive energy and this positive energy will be directly transferred to the viewers. Very simple. In general case, this film is produced not for a particular age. Of course, there are certain categories, but in general case, film is seen by all viewers will be from a say 5-year-old child to the 55-year-old man. So this doesn't have any range. It's a big range. Everyone is need a positive things in their mind. So that if the location has to be selected by using the what it is called Vastu Shastra, what will happen? This positive energy will be directly transferred to the viewers. That means the film will be success. So what I am coming to conclude is each and every location in a cinema has to be identified. The location has to be identified by using a Vastu Shastra method to get a positive energy to the story, and the film will be success. And the second part is body language and the face reading. If you select an actor or actress, their face and the body language should be in a positive way. Otherwise, what will happen? If they are a negative actor, if you take negative face reading actor, if you take, the entire cinema will be the negative side. It will not success. You take an easy case. If, for example, I tell you, if the Shalini is a very old film, still people are taking there in the minds. I don't know whether they are using the Vastu Shastra and the body language, but even though now people are taken care in their mind. Like this, so many cinema, Hindi, English, so many cinema. The latest cinema, you can see the Bahubali. What is happened? The reach location is very. If you say some idea, some locations in people mind, in the mind, it will come that particular location, that particular dialogue because of that. So if you want to make a positive, good cinema, is commercial valued cinema, you have to consider two things. First is the Vastu Shastra for the selection of the all locations. Body language and positive face reading for the actor and actress. If you're considering these two, your film will be in a positive side. It will be an adding leg to the cinema, and the cinema will be successful. So, from the beginning stage to the production end stage, had we taken care of these two facts, 100% film will be a success, and commercially it will have a valued one. You will be success. You will not lose money in the cinema industry. The basic nature is you take any location based on anyone, what will have it will produce negative energy. See, people will not see that scene. People will not be interested on that. Naturally, film will be flop. You will lose a lot of money on that. In order to cover up this, use Vastu Shastra principles, the location, and again the body language and face reading of the people. If the people have a positive energy and the body language, definitely the cinema will be big. You can take care. The actor, the scene, each shot, the people will be taken care in their heart, and it will be delivered to this thing, and your success will be there. Otherwise, people will say when negative comments will come, film will flop. Thank you.